Good morning, guys. Oh my god, I have to go. I'll be running late and it's raining, it's slushing here, so I'll talk to you in a while. This is the weather in Ireland at the moment. I'm just heading out to the airport now. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my vlog. I wasn't able to talk earlier since I was rushing and the weather in Ireland is so horrible. So I do my best to be on time on my flight as well so I could chill out. So at the moment I arrived now here in London, I had my lunch, my snacks because I have nothing to do and I don't want to go around for shopping because I only have one bag to carry on to Spain. So I'm heading to Santiago Compostela Airport today, and later on I will be traveling for an hour from Santiago area going to Coruña. So my flight got delayed at the moment, so I'm just here in the waiting area where I can see the screens just to make sure that I will not miss my gates, because the airport here in London, this is the London Stansted airport, the gates are quite distant, so yeah, I have to be on time because I am landed now here in the Santiago airport. Ooh, sorry. I'm tilting the table. I'm quite hungry, so James is here, pick me up. We haven't seen each other for a week because he's on his Camino group for is that hiking or a walking group?
Walking tour, yeah.
It's a walking tour. So they started their walking tour from
Sunday.
Huh?
Last Sunday.
Last Sunday, yeah, in Portugal, and then they did here.
We started in Syria in Spain.
Syria in Spain.
And we walked 115 kilometers.
115 kilometers, yeah, that's the reason why I did not go, because my I don't think I'm meant for walking. I'm not that healthy. I think you have to have a preparation beforehand. And I'm asthmatic, so I can't really make myself so tired. But anyways, I'm here and I needed the sugar buzz, so he just ordered me the famous Santiago cake here. There you go. And of course, how can I live without the coffee? So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the sweetness of this and I'll see you again later. James just give me these. Can I? So hard. He said this is a symbol of Santiago. Aww. Perlas. Is it?
It's shell.
This is a symbol in Santiago.
Yeah, it is. It's a symbol of the Camino. Shell. You see them everywhere. They're on every building, every road.
Oh, thanks, love.
Sweet.
I have my necklace already. I'll wear them for you. We're heading out to the city center. We're gonna grab something to eat. We're heading back to James' hotel to collect his bag, and then we're going to Coruña. So from here in Santiago, we'll take the train going there. traveling. Finally, we're here now in our hotel. I can rest, we can chill, and we arrived now here in Coruña. So we are staying here in Hotel Riazor. It's a beachfront hotel. So I'm gonna take you a room tour, but before anything else, if you have an Instagram, please do follow my Instagram. It's Chic Wanderess, and I also have a Facebook page now. It's also a Chic Wanderess. So if you can give me a follow, I would really appreciate that. Thank you very much. So yeah, let's do this. Oh my god, I love the back. Hi there. Really love this hotel. It's so clean and it's so neat. Just in the chair and watch this. And there you go. We can try to open this. Okay. Don't worry, I'm not gonna jump. So it's the view. Shopping are everywhere. It's just 500 meters away from the hotel, and also the hotel is a beachfront. So like on the other side it's the beach, and the other side it's the city center. So this is really brilliant and in a perfect location for shopping. And the shopping is quite reasonable. So I was able to grab a lot of summer clothes in Bershka. So I'll do a Bershka haul from this trip as well on my other video. So anyway, I have to head down now to, oh my god, it's a bit windy and they're blowing my dress. I'm gonna head down to the chemist place to get some foundation, or a beauty place to get one. And yeah, I'll let you explore as well this place, so I'll take some footage. Just relaxing now after all the shopping around. I've been in Zara, Bershka, Pull&Bear, and some probably Spanish shops. All of them are really good. They have a very good quality of clothes and stuff, and also most of the shops, they are allowing the dog to go inside with their owners. So my god, considering this region is really populated. I think it's second most of the populated place here in Spain, and the street is just so clean. Everywhere I see it's very clean. Taking a break, James got me an iced coffee because it's hot. It's hot, which is really good because at the moment Ireland is slushing with rain. So I'm done now with all my shopping today. No more sightseeing. So yay, he's happy. So we're probably gonna head down now to the beach. He can't wait to swim. The shop here is just so amazing. Even the Spanish shops, I don't know the brands, but the quality is so good and it's reasonably priced as well. And I've noticed that most of the shops, they're allowing as well the dog owners to take their dogs inside. So I find them very cute. Now I'm missing my Bobo. But Bobo is having a good life at home. He's just chilling in the couch. Yeah. So this place for me, I really love this. Our hotel is just so convenient to the beach. It's a beachfront, and at our left side of our hotel, just 500 meters away, we got all the shopping, cafes, and restaurants as well. So yeah, as well. So I'll head back to the hotel. We're gonna change and
Go for a swim.
go for a swim.
Yeah. Big one's going now.
Here's the big one. We just finished our breakfast, so we decided to come up here in the solarium area, which is the 12th floor. I think this is the last floor on this hotel. So here you can have some sunshine, or they had their sunbeds there, so it's actually a great view to see the whole beachfront area and the buildings as well on the side. Wake in the morning and step outside. Let's go. We did a little bit of sightseeing as well while we're here in Coruña, and one of the tourist attractions here in Coruña is the Hercules Tower. This Tower of Hercules has served as a lighthouse and a landmark at the entrance of La Coruña Harbor in northwestern Spain. So the best time to go up here is during the sunset hours. It just makes it more magical and interesting, relaxing.
Cool. Cool.
So before heading to the airport, we decided to have our lunch here in the Marina area, and thank God we found a proper restaurant, so then we can have a proper food, and also the staff speaking good English, and that's a bonus. Then it's not really like in this area you barely find people who really speak English. This is really so local, so a lot of people just use Spanish. Well, I can understand Spanish a little bit, but when they started talking so fast, I get lost, so I can't cope up with them. So anyways, yeah, we're just gonna have our lunch. are heading now to Santiago. That's where we're going to get our flight going back to Ireland. Heading home. I miss my Bobo. I can't wait to see Bobo. I'm gonna go back tomorrow as well for work. That doesn't sound nice. Anyway, thank you very much guys for watching. Mega love shout out to Team Georgina and also to Team Suga. See you again on my next vlog. Mwah.